What's up, everybody? In this video, we are going to review writing a positioning statement. Positioning statements are used to describe how your product or service fills a need for your target market. They will help you to create a clear vision for your brand. This is important to have clearly identified before you start trying to design your logo and visualize your brand. You may wonder why you need a positioning statement, especially after creating your lean template. The positioning statement is a way to clearly communicate your brand's ideal customer, unique value proposition, and identify the key features of your product. Each time you identify these elements, it will help you clarify your brand, personality, and how you differentiate yourself. To create your positioning statement, we are going to use a template where you follow 3 steps and then use the answers from each step to fill out your positioning statement. The statement will read as follows. Brand name provides step 1 with step 2 more than any other your industry. We do this by step 3A, 3B, and 3C. In my examples, I'm using the content from a cross-cultural wedding app that I was part of. The app was named Interweave. Step 1. Who is your target audience? This is where you want to be specific. How you identify your target audience makes a difference as it will affect your brand positioning. When we discussed the target audience for Interweave, we had a lot of back and forth as to who our focus was. Should it be the couple? Or should it be the individual that was the primary planner? Maybe the families. Each of those groups is a different target audience and require a different approach. Step 2. What is your unique value proposition? What makes your company special compared to the competition? For Interweave, we discovered that there wasn't a service focused on wedding planning for cross-cultural couples. When we interviewed and spoke with couples from different backgrounds, we found that many had difficulty mixing the traditions from their unique backgrounds into their wedding. This was especially true if there were certain traditions that families expected to be part of the ceremony. Step 3. How will you support your unique value proposition? This is where you list out at least 3 features to support your unique value proposition. For Interweave, we had the following. We have a database of traditions from all cultures. We found that there wasn't a centralized repository of information about wedding traditions for every culture. As part of our product, we were going to build this. Enable key stakeholders to collaborate. From everyone we interviewed, and my own experience, we learned that getting married involved advice from your parents and soon-to-be in-laws. Enabling collaboration was important. Last, a marketplace of unique, culturally sensitive vendors. If we were helping you plan a cross-cultural wedding, then having a list of vendors that understood the various traditions was important. Next, combine the answers from the steps into a single statement. Interweave provides unmarried cross-cultural couples with the best hybrid wedding planning more than any other wedding planner. We do this by having a database of traditions from all cultures, enabling collaboration between key stakeholders, and access to unique, culturally sensitive vendors. At the end of this video, you should be able to understand what a positioning statement is, why it is important, and be able to write your own positioning statement for your brand. This may take you a couple of attempts to get it right. Also, as you continue to develop your concept, you may find you make edits to your positioning statement as well.